Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you some cool tools. Being in IT, I've learned that the business management teams love to see reports. They are fascinated about the data within the context of the business. So, since we will be managing the cloud infrastructure, from time to time, we will need to be able to provide these to the management team. One of these reports we can provide is the IAM credentials report, which provides a report that lists all of our account users and their current credential status. We also have access to the IAM Access Advisor, which will show us the service permission level that was given to a user and when they last accessed it. Both of these can provide insight to you as an administrator and can guide you when creating policies. Enough talk. Let's go ahead and get started with the lab. Let's start by going to the IAM console. On the left side of the screen, under Access Reports, we can see the Credential Report. We'll go ahead and click on it. Then you should see the Download Report button. We'll go ahead and click on that. This should generate and download a .csv file. Once we open up the report, we can see important information and activity about our account users. Information like the user's ARN, when the user was created, and when they last signed in. More importantly, we can see if they have MFA active and when they last changed their password. Currently, we do not have an IAM policy that enforces a password change every X number of days. So if the users decided to never change their passwords, they could get away with that, which is a major security concern. But that gives me an idea, maybe for the future. Moving along, there's a lot of information regarding the user's IAM access and accounts we can leverage to enact policies that would better protect us. Moving on to the Access Advisor, we'll go to Users, and then we'll click on our admin user account. Let's click on the Access Advisor tab. If your user does access any of these services, it should appear within 4 hours. So there's a little bit of latency there, but as we can see, it does let us know when they last accessed the service, and it will tell us which policy allowed them to access it. The Access Advisor will also tell us which services they have not accessed yet, and as you can see, there is a lot here. Now, we can also click on the policy within this window that gave them the access, and then click on the policy name. This will open up a new tab and take you right to the Administrator Access Permission JSON file. Let's click on the Access Advisor tab. Here, you can see all the users that have used the Administrator Access policy to access different services within AWS. We have just seen some pretty cool tools that we can leverage to better understand IAM access within our AWS account. I hope in this video you got a better idea of how to generate an IAM report and figure out who is doing what in our environment. I'll see you in the next video.